Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today we're going to be microwaving Rice Krispies. Let's see if Jennie the microwave can add some extra snap, crackle, and pop to my Rice Krispies. So how long should I put it in there for? Probably 1 minute. And there we go. What did we do? We heated up Rice Krispies. You couldn't tell when they were being microwaved, but now you can really hear them snapping, crackling, popping. So it's perfectly safe. You get extra snap, crackle, pop. So I declare this a good idea.